Next up on the list, still on the topic of selling digital products, we've got Skool. Now, people get a bit confused here sometimes because they think that Skool itself is the business model. No, no, no. Skool is not a business model. Skool is a software platform that allows you to sell digital products. Saying that Skool is the business model, it's the same thing as saying that like ClickFunnels is the business model or Kajabi is the business model. What the fuck is a Kajabi business? It's a digital product business. The same thing is true with Skool. So on Skool, there's many different things you can do. You can have a free community. You can even sell high-ticket stuff on Skool directly, like you take your sales calls, etc. And then the people who buy, you put them in a Skool group. Like Skool, honestly, is one of the best platforms I've ever tried. It is the best platform to sell courses because the interface is great. You've got a community with almost a forum. You've got a classroom with different online courses, etc. There's even a calendar where you can see like the next calls when they're happening, etc. So you can join. I can see members, you can see a map. So for example, if we look here, you could like click on this, see this person's profile, just follow them, message them, etc. And you might meet your new best friend, just like that. There's also a leaderboard, which is basically like ranking the people in the community to see who's the most active. So Skool is a pretty fucking awesome platform. The main things being the community, classroom, and calendar. Like before I used to go on Discord and message people with the fucking Zoom link every week and it was annoying. Now I just put it there and boom. Super simple, super easy. So there's different things that people sell on Skool. They can sell a one-time course. Like for example, they're going to make a course for $197, boom, they sell it. Or it can be like a one-time fee, an expensive one too, like it can be $1997 for example. Or the most typical thing that people sell on Skool is a monthly recurring membership. And so what that is for example, people pay $50 a month, or even more than that. It can be $129 a month or more, and then they get access to everything I showed you: community, classroom, the map feature, etc., everything. And if they stop paying, well, they just lose access to everything. Because with high ticket, yes, you make more money like directly per sale, and so high ticket can give you a higher lifetime value per customer, basically how much money a customer spends with you over their lifetime. But like at some point it stops. Like when they're done paying you like in full, or they're done paying the installment plans, it's done. Whereas with Skool, technically, somebody can stay subscribed forever, and that creates massive monthly recurring revenue. Because with high ticket, yes, you get payment plans, but every month you're kind of starting from zero. So that can be fucking annoying. And technically, like if you were to ask me, would you rather make, let's say, I don't know, $10,000 a month with 10 people or with 100 people? Assuming I don't have to like work hard either way, like I can just get either one with the same amount of effort. Which one would you pick? Let me know in the comments down below. But I'm going to tell you which one I would pick. I would pick the model that makes me more money with more people. You know why? Because let's say you have 2 customers and you make $10,000 a month. Each client is bringing, let's say, $5,000. Well, if one of them decides to cancel, they change their mind, their card gets blocked, or whatever the fuck happens, you lose half your monthly income. Whereas if you've got 100 people, 1,000 people, one person stops paying you $9 to $130 a month. You don't care, you've got hundreds or thousands of others, and then you can just get another people in as easily. So it doesn't completely kill your revenue, but initially Skool can be much slower to start off because you might need more volume. And simply because monthly recurring revenue tends to compound, whereas high ticket sales are more linear. So for that reason, I'm going to put it in S tier. And if you're wondering, okay, but how do I know if I should pick Skool or if I should pick high ticket? Because you are smart and you understand that selling digital products is the best way to make money online ever. Why? Well, because it's 90 to 96% profit, and because you only have to make the fucking course one time, and then you can sell it for years to come. Like seriously, even when businesses sell physical products, they can sell them for years sometimes, sure, right, but it's lower profit. It's 5 to 20% profit max. And then they have to ship it out. They have to do all these fucking things, make sure it's in stock. It's horrible. You don't have any of that. You just send people to a page, they buy, boom, they get access to the course. That's it, that's done. And all you gotta do after that is show up to 1 call a week maybe. Like, that's pretty much it. I don't know what you think, but it's a pretty neat way of making money. Especially considering you can do what you love and make a lot of money. For example, on Skool, there's a guy who makes $20K per month teaching people how to play Counter-Strike, a video game. There's another guy who makes the same amount of money just painting stuff. That's pretty fucking nuts when you think about it. Whereas with high ticket, it's more limited because you have to solve a painful problem. People are not going to pay you $5,000 to learn how to have a pretty garden. Now, some people would pay you $5,000 so that you, for example, fly out with them for one day and then you together, you do a garden activity, I don't know. But it would be smart to monetize every segment of the market. For example, having like technically a super low offer, $9 a month or something, having a $50 a month offer, and then maybe having a $5,000 offer. That way you monetize every segment of the market and you give them different things, of course. The more expensive it is, well, the more attention they're gonna get from you, etc. Again, if you want to learn from me step by step how you too can make a fuck ton of money selling digital products, the best thing you can sell online, I've made up to $2,600 in profit in a single day from digital product sales, and most of it was profit. If you did that with dropshipping or any other business, like you'd have 10% profit. Like making $260 a day is still great, but wouldn't you want to make $2,600 for the same amount of effort? The same amount of work? In fact, less work because you don't have to deal with the suppliers and the shipping and all this fucking bullshit. So when you're done watching this video, click the link in the description below. Together, we're gonna figure out exactly what digital product you're gonna be selling, which one you should be picking, how to create your offer simply, and I'm also gonna teach you exactly what you need to do. The only 2 things you need to be doing so that you can start getting sales as quickly as possible.